Alright friends, there was a couple of more things that I wanted to show you with the slice method. Let's begin typing. Doc type HTML, open up the HTML tag and body tag and paragraph tag, and then say the slice method extracts a part of a string and returns the extracted parts in a new string. Okay, paragraph, open, id is equal to demo, and open up the script tag and say var str string is equal to apple, comma, banana, comma, kiwi. Okay, and say document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to str string dot slice, and just write 7. Okay, and enter the closing script tag and also enter the closing body tag and closing HTML tag. Perfect. Alright, let's save this. Alright, let's save this file. Save as string method 7. Save, and also save it as file. Save as .html. Save, and let's find this file. Banana kiwi. So what it's doing is the slice method is slicing out the rest of the string. Okay, let's start counting. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and it is slicing out the rest of the oops, sorry, that was not how you do it. Yes, you count from here. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7, and it's going to just return this one and slice away apple, comma, and space. Alright, there's one more example I want you to look at. We'll keep the same code here, but what if instead of 7 you do -12? You know what's going to happen, right? It's going to slice from the backwards. Let's save it and refresh. Alright, as you can see, it brings back the same result. Okay, because if we count from the back, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. The space is 12, and it's going to slice away the rest and just return back banana kiwi, comma, kiwi. Alright, so with this I'm going to end my slice method. Up next is the substring method. The substring method is similar to the string method, except that the substring will not accept negative values. Okay, so you can write down the whole thing, and you could say, okay, let me just delete this and write the whole program again for you. It's a good practice anyway. Alright, let's begin typing the substring method example. Doc type HTML, open up the HTML tag Open up the body tag, open up the paragraph tag, and say the substring, substr or substring method extract a part of a string and returns the extracted parts in a new string. Okay, close the paragraph tag. Open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo and say script var string is equal to apple, banana, kiwi. Okay, close the inverted commas. Document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to string dot substring. It is the same thing. Basically it's the same thing except that substring cannot accept negative values. Okay, and you're going to get similar results. The thing is that you may need a different method for different situations. So depending on your situation, you choose the right method. Okay, with these examples, you would have a good idea how to choose a method and what situation is best for what method. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and save this file as Spring Methods 8, and I also want to save it as .html, and I want to find it here. There you go, banana. Okay, because remember I said in the beginning that the substring would also take two arguments, two parameters, start and end. Okay, so the starting one was 7 and the ending one was 13, and it sliced everything and then brought only what was left. Okay, let's look at the substring method, substr. Okay, the Substr method is similar to slice method. The difference is that the second parameter specifies the length of the extracted part, because remember the Substr method would take two parameters. It would take the start and the length. Okay, if the first parameter is negative, the position counts from the end of the string. The second parameter cannot be negative because it defines the length. Okay, and if you omit the second parameter, the substr will slice out the rest of the string. Okay, sounds a little complicated, but it is not. If you try to play with the code, you'll find out each and every statement that I just said is true. Okay, let me write it down. The substr method, okay, takes start and length parameters. GTH. Okay, length parameters, and if start value is negative, it will count from the end of the string. Okay, and but length cannot be negative. These are the only conditions. Okay, let's look at this example. Let me delete this. All right, let me type down the code. Doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag, open up the body tag, open up the paragraph tag and say the Substr method extracts a part of a string and returns the extracted parts in a new string. Okay, open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo, and close the paragraph tag and say script var string is equal to apple, banana, kiwi, end of statement marker, document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to string dot substr. Okay, and 7 comma 6 are the arguments that you apply. 7 is start, 6 is the length. Okay, script, close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the HTML tag. Okay, let's save this file. All right, I'm going to save it as file, save as, and I also want to save it as HTML. Okay, and let me run this file. Oh, did I save it as HTML? I don't think so. File, save as, all files .html, and let's find the file here. The Substr method extracts a part of a string and returns the extracted part in the new string. Okay. Okay, there is one more method that I want to show you, and it is called replace. Okay, replacing the string content. It does nothing but it replaces the string content. Okay, the replace method replaces a specified value with another value. Okay, replaces a specified value with another value, okay, in a string. The replace method can also take a regular expression as the search value. Okay, so let's look at this example here. Very interesting. All right, so we have doc type HTML. Open up the HTML tag and the body tag. All right, and open up the paragraph tag and say replace. Okay, Microsoft with Edupedia. Okay, in the paragraph below. All right, and close the paragraph tag and then say button on click is equal to my function. Okay, and say the label of the function should say try it. Close the button tag, open Open up the paragraph tag and say id is equal to demo. Please visit Edupedia. Okay. Oh, please visit Microsoft, because we want it to be replaced. Okay, just hang in there, just watch what I'm doing. Open up the script tag, and within the script tag say function, my function. Okay, open up the curly bracket and say var str string is equal to the document dot get element by id demo dot inner html, and say var txt is equal to string dot replace. Okay, replaced Microsoft. Okay, replace, sorry, Edupedia, comma, Microsoft. All right, let's see, and then say document dot get element by id demo dot inner html is equal to txt text, close the curly bracket, close the script tag, close the body tag, and close the html tag. Right, let's save this file. All right, so it's simple. Let's save the file as methods 10, save file, save as html file dot html, save, and let's find this file, strings method 10. So replace Microsoft with Edupedia in the paragraph below. Try it. There you go, it was replaced. Okay, if you run the file, it is going to open up as please visit Microsoft. You want to take the expression Microsoft and replace it with the expression Edupedia, like so. All right, okay, with this I'm going to end my video, and in the next video I'm going to talk about replacing or converting caps. Like if you have small caps, convert it to big caps. If you have capital caps, you convert it into small caps. All right, let's meet at the next video. Take care.